UPSC mains is tough but manageable. But when it's come to optional, many aspirants find themselves stuck. Let's be honest. Optional preparation is not just revising some few books and then making up the notes. It's about mastering a subject strong enough to write analytical answer, to think like a topper. And there is when aspirants they stuck themselves, and there is where aspirants feel some sort of struggle. They used to confuse that how to start the optional preparation, how to write the answers, which source to follow, how to prepare the notes, how to ensure that they are revising the optional subject along with their GS subject. Here in today's class, I would be providing you some insights about the anthropology optional and what kind of approach we can have whenever we are starting the optional preparation for anthropology. Now, let us suppose you are starting your preparation. You have decided that you are taking up anthropology optional, but without proper guidance, either you will lose interest or you are not going to touch this optional for months. And then what you are doing? You are just wasting your precious month. Ideally, you should start your optional preparation in the month of June, July, and then you should end up your optional preparation if you are aspiring for the mains 2026 till the by the October or November. You need to end up your optional along with the answer writing. As in terms of solution, we are launching the Anthropology Foundation course in offline and online mode, and the batch is starting from the 4th August. This batch is going to provide as in terms of a solution. Now, we are going to provide first these sources, and these sources they are going to be your one-stop solution for your optional. These are the highly researched content which is being prepared by consolidating multiple sources at one place, and that too in a simplified version. The classes related to the study material, how it would look like and what is the kind of study material it would constitute, already there in the official YouTube channel of the Shunya IAS. Now, the course basically going to be in the hybrid mode. Now, the course is having the most important aspect, which is the current based value enrichment. In each and every class, we will be ensuring that although optional, anthropology optional is a static subject, but when we are adding upon the current based themes and thematic points, it is going to provide a dynamism. More examples, more current things, they will provide living sense to your answers, and it would enhance your answers in comparative to your competitives. It is also including some diagrams. These diagrams, they are going to help you to build up the full-fledged answer in the same way as toppers used to write. The most important thing in our classes is going to be the training as in terms of the live answer writing. So we will be ensuring that we are having the live answer writing. Now, the live answer writing will ensure that there is going to be daily revision. There are some tasks being allotted in each and every class, and these tasks, they will ensure that you will be revising your subject daily. Other than this, there is going to be hand holding from my side till your final selection, and this is including strategies, answer writing feedback. It includes revision module, and if you are facing any sort of doubt anywhere, I have multiple years of experience, and based upon the experience, I can provide you the full-fledged strategy that would help you to ace this competition. So there is going to be one-to-one mentorship, that is the essential aspect of our program. So if you are thinking that you need to streamline your optional preparation in the easiest way with the proper guidance, then you can join the Anthropology Optional Foundation course, and this course is starting from the 4th of August 2025. Thank you so much.